Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll learn how to find the longest string in an array using JavaScript. Let's dive in. The problem is to identify the string with the maximum length in a given array. For example, in the array AB, A, ABCD, the longest string is ABCD. This program initializes the longest string as the first string in the array. It iterates through the remaining strings, comparing the lengths with the current maximum, and updates the longest string when a longer one is found. Here's how it works. The program starts by assuming the first string is the longest. It then loops through the array, updating the longest string whenever it finds a longer one. Finally, it returns the longest string. Here's some examples. In the first example, the program correctly identifies ABCD as the longest string. In the second example, all strings have equal length, so the first string is returned. The ES6 version uses the reduce method for a more concise and elegant solution. It iterates through the array, keeping track of the longest string. Edge cases include empty arrays, single string arrays, and arrays with strings of equal length. These cases should be handled gracefully by the program. In summary, this program effectively finds the longest string in an array using a straightforward comparison approach. It handles edge cases and provides accurate results for valid inputs. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I will see you in the next one.